can you put the e.l.f. bronzing drops and mix it with your foundation? Let's give it a try. This is the Glossier Stretch Foundation in shade L5 or Light 5. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. This is kind of like spot on right now for my skin tone, maybe a hair light. So I'm gonna give this a good shake. I'm gonna use Copper Gold. I'm gonna do a little bit. Just like that. We're gonna mix it. Look at that. So it adds a slight little bronze tint to the foundation. You can add a little bit more if you want to. I realized I should have gave you a regular swatch too. For reference, this is Light 5 without the bronzer. You can see it's a little bit lighter than this one. Add a little bit more. See how that's bronzy? You can mix it with your foundation. It's not gonna totally like change the color drastically, but it is gonna add warmth to it. If you're not quite at your summer shade, but you're not at your winter shade, I definitely think it's a good to mix into your foundation. You can see it still looks natural, looks nice. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.